stern warnings from doctors as the holidays inch closer. Good evening. I'm Juliette Goodrich.
And I'm Brian Hackney. Tonight, the U.S. has surpassed 11 million total COVID cases. The staggering milestone was reached just 6 days after the U.S. hit 10 million cases. Nationwide, nearly 250,000 people have died from the disease. Here in California, more than 1 million people have been infected with COVID. And with the holidays around the corner, there is new concern tonight. KPIX 5's Joe Vasquez with the warning from one Bay Area health official.
The Bay Area has done better than most places around the country. Still, there's been an increase in COVID-19 cases. And with Thanksgiving 11 days away, health officials are deeply concerned about family gatherings. Here in North Concord, the Contra Costa County Health Department is launching a Testing Before Turkey campaign this week, encouraging folks to go to any of the county's drive-through sites to get their COVID-19 tests ahead of any family gathering. In San Francisco, as the virus numbers increase, officials are worried their testing sites are going to get jammed up. So they are now asking those with insurance to go to your own doctor to get tested rather than use the city's free testing facilities.
The city's testing sites are really meant for people that are uninsured or have poor access to health care and are symptomatic or have had a close contact with somebody who has COVID. So we need to ensure that those resources are for that population.
Dr. Navina Baba is the deputy director of the San Francisco Department of Public Health. While San Francisco has flattened the curve for the most part, Dr. Baba says the city has to be very careful because the population density makes it so that COVID spikes can escalate too quickly to catch up.
Case rates, hospitalization rates can go up in a blink of an eye. And by the time the hospitalization rates go up, we have lost control of the virus. It will spread and we will see a lot more disease within the community.
Masking and social distancing are still key. Officials are advising against large family gatherings for the holidays. But if you're determined to get together, outdoors with smaller groups for shorter amounts of time could help the disease from spreading.
I really want to congratulate San Franciscans for doing all that they have done to this point in time. And we just need them to hang on for a bit longer so that we can get to the end of this pandemic.
Joe Vasquez, KPIX 5.